29th of March, and we have got all the siding off, and the house is completely house wrapped, and all of the windows are siliconed and sealed up. We're just waiting for the new window that's gonna go in this front window, but beyond that, it's all done.
So hopefully this weekend we can start putting the new siding on, at least the sides and the back part, because the new window I don't think will be in until next week, so we won't be able to start the front until it's put in. Have done some more inside. Guess the lights are off. Would you like to show your demo?
Super small, like not even a half wall, quarter wall here. And we looked at it and I was like, is there a purpose for it? And everybody said no. So we took it out. And so now we don't have a little divider wall there, and so that's nice. So then our table will actually probably fit here. So.
That's how big the wall was.
Yeah,
Just
super
that
small.
little piece of popcorn ceiling.
Yeah, that's all.
And we got the back door put in.
Oh yeah. And if you didn't notice already, there's no sheetrock. So we're going to be doing a lot of sheetrock work. Way more than we thought, I guess, probably, but it's gonna look really good. And we tore all of the little trim pieces, I guess.
Yes.
That they put up in trailer houses, and we're gonna go ahead and mud all those. So the whole midsection of the house will be like, it's just actually like sheetrocked and mudded. So that'll be super nice. It'll look good.
We also, in the very back bedroom, so the little front window that we took out of the living room where we're putting the new big window, we decided to put somewhere else. So we put back here in this other bedroom, the very far back one, just to add another window and to make the front look a little better, because there was nothing on the south side of the house from the front door, so it just makes the front look a little more put together.
So I ended up getting the cabinets that were here tore off yesterday, and we were thinking about putting them here. Cole thinks we should. I don't think we should, because I don't like how far this base cabinet sticks out when it's on this wall. I feel like we should have something that's like half the size, but we'll see how that goes. I don't like the looks of it, but so I got those tore out yesterday, and I think that's it. And then we haven't done anything else in the kitchen.
And we can go master.
This space over here in the kitchen, now that I took those out, like, I'll turn the light on. Where's the light?
There it is.
You can see exactly where the cabinets were. And that's the color the house is supposed to be. PSA, don't smoke in your house, because this is what it's going to look like. It's disgusting. So, super big space here now, so we'll be able to easily fit a double refrigerator. And
I think we could fit 2 double refrigerators.
probably, but I was thinking also too, we could reuse this shelf that was up here, and we could put our microwave on that.
That is true.
So, something to think about. I have no idea where any of the light switches are.
Well, that's... So the only other thing we've been doing is I've tore out the floor in the master bathroom.
It smells.
Probably because I've cut the sewer lines, drain
It
lines.
just smells like old, like,
Well, could be. I don't know.
insulation or something.
But I still gotta tear this out. But it's kind of my little landing pad right now. We've got to change some plumbing around for the new shower over there. Get rid of the old sink plumbing, and then extend this for the new vanity. And then we can put the new floor down. Are you excited for our new house? Are you excited? Huh? Tell me. Are you excited? We found the old foundation of the old house. There's a lot of rocks. There's a lot of concrete and brick, making it really hard to dig this trench for the sewer.
It is April 1st and there's no fooling around here today because we're getting shit done. We have Trevor and Eugene showed up for now, and I think Ryan may be coming later, but my dad and Cole went and got all the sewer pipe for in the ground out back, and my dad's been digging that out, getting ready, and we've got all the wiring for the power to be able to run that in the trench too. So we have a lot to do today, and I think maybe we might start siding the back side of the house. We don't have the front window yet, so we can't start siding the front yet either. But the back is ready to go and the sides. So we have plenty of options to do today. I think I'll probably just be helping because I don't know what else I'm gonna do, because the jobs that I can do in the house are gonna make an enormous mess. And I just don't think we're ready for that yet, because I need to sand the ceilings, and I don't have my big old like marshmallow suit to wear. I got my paint mask for the fumes and the dust, but I don't have my suit, so I probably won't be doing that today. So I'll probably just enjoy the day and the weather and get some stuff done outside.
Part of the sewer is in. Still gotta finish our connections up there, but it's hooked into the main now. Started laying the electrical in, so this trench can be filled back in. So after we get all this hooked up and buried, the only thing left will be the gas line, which the gas company has to do. Who saved that shovel?
well, I have this back bedroom pretty much completely cleaned out, and it's ready to have the ceiling sanded. So I really don't want to do it, but nobody else is gonna do it. So I bought a marshmallow suit, is what I call it, and a mask. And I guess I'm gonna start it tonight because I don't know what else to do. I've pretty much just been waiting for the finishing, not the finishing touches, but things to do to be able to finish. So this is the furthest bedroom on the south, and I'm gonna sand, and then we'll have to figure out how we're gonna clean the dust up off the walls, and then we're gonna prime. So we're gonna prime the ceilings and prime the walls, hoping I can get away with 2 coats. These bedroom walls are not near as bad as the master and the main living area as those walls were with smoke damage. So I'm hoping that I can get away with maybe 1, probably 2 coats of priming. And I was thinking if I could just, the house is gonna be white anyway, so if I could just prime it and it's white, and then I don't have to paint it white. So I don't know, it depends on kind of like the sheen of the primer too, because I'm using an oil-based primer for smoke damage or smoke in general. So, so yeah, I guess that was my thought, is if it's white, like stark white, and then I don't have to paint it white when it's already white, then I'll just save money on a lot of paint.